So here we have Apple's iPhone 6s. Long anticipated, eagerly awaited, looks a lot like the iPhone 6 that just preceded it. There's never very much in these boxes. You get apples, the modern earbuds, which they have not redesigned, even since acquiring Beats, and your lightning cable, as always. This is, of course, the gold iPhone 6s. And what we have here is a more powerful A9 processor inside of it, a 12 megapixel camera for the first time ever. The front camera is now 5 megapixels. Also can shoot in 4K. The other super big change that we've got here is 3D touch. This screen, this entire screen now is basically a button. It doesn't move, but if you press harder, you feel a little vibration. You have basically a couple of levels of pressure that you can put, and you get another dimension of interactivity with utilities and apps. Physically, it's really hard to tell the difference. It's also running iOS 9, and iOS 9 has a bunch of updates, including a Siri update, which is going to let me just talk to this phone when it's sitting on the table and say, "Hey Siri," and have it do things for me. Here's one big physical difference between these two devices. This is aluminum, anodized aluminum. This is also aluminum, but it's aluminum 7000. So it's got a little bit of zinc in there, which is going to make it tougher. You would have to put tremendous force, and honestly, I'm not sure you could put enough force to bend it, just doing it with your hands. So that's our iPhone 6s unboxing. Don't miss our full review on Mashable.